I was speaking with a private client this morning, and one of her biggest struggles is that she wasn't sure what first steps to take. So we just started working together. And as we're co-creating her new mentoring business, so she was I think a 30-year salon owner out in Montana. She was super successful, but she wanted more. She wants to semi-retire now, and she wants to travel the world. So we've been working together on really getting clarity, helping her get clarity on the next steps of her exit strategy, putting her business for sale, figuring out how she's going to do all that, the steps that it's going to take, and preparing her new business because she wants to mentor other salon owners in startups. So we've been focusing on her getting that clarity, putting together her business plan for her new consulting business, and just, working through a lot of this stuff because, even when I started my coaching and consulting business, it was a process, but it's so powerful to have someone like myself who has actually walked the talk and done this as a salon owner to a successful consultant. It brings so much clarity to my clients. There's no BS, and it's all strategic reality. If you want to learn how I did this, head on over, join the free workshop, The Exit Strategy Formula.